In this video, I'm talking about a really cool software which I'll be reviewing in front of you right now. And it's called Peppertype, and it's another artificial intelligence AI writing tool. So if you are interested in picking this up at any given time, just click the link in the description and you'll be taken to their website. So let me jump into the homepage of Peppertype and show you what they have to offer. So as you can see, this is the home screen of Peppertype.ai, and there are multiple options you have to select from. So this is social media. You can generate tweet ideas, Facebook ad copies. Then we have YouTube video description, YouTube video topic ideas. Then in the copywriting, as you can see, then we have website headline copy, brand or product description, e-commerce. There are multiple options, content explorer. In the SEO section, you can generate Google ad copy, blog ideas, meta description, blog conclusions, then blog outlines, blog intros, or answers. And in the e-commerce, you can see you can generate Amazon product descriptions. The product, you can create product review generator, customer review response. So let's select blog ideas. Let's type Zoom app here, and in the description, you just have to mention in short. Like Zoom is a video conferencing app for virtual meetings. So you just have to mention a short description and it will automatically create blog ideas for you. So as you can see, you can select any of the blog ideas. Suppose if you don't like anything, you can click on more. You can also generate more options. Now let's go to blog outline, and let's select a predefined one, like say Nike, and blog topic. You just have to enter. So as you can see, I have already entered, and click on creating content. So as you can see, Peppertype has already given us the outlines. So if you don't like anything, you can also generate more ideas. You can just click on create more outputs, and the AI will automatically create more outputs for you. So as you can see, you can select any of the outputs from here. So now let's select Quora answers. So by using this, you can write Quora answers. So just write project name Quora and write the question, how to lose weight fast. So as you can see, the AI has generated answers for the question, how to lose weight fast. You can also create more outputs from here. So there you go guys, Peppertype is a really awesome AI writing tool with unlimited content, and I will seriously recommend it to anybody who wants to create original blog posts, social media content, emails and much more in just few seconds. So if you are interested in Peppertype, check the link in the description, so that will take you to their website and see if this is right for you. So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.